How to create a Facebook page event. If any day you would like to create a Facebook page event, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Facebook on your device. In order to do so, you have to tap on Facebook for a while. After that, you will see a screen like this. Now you have to go to the profile section. After you go to the profile section, now you have to switch your Facebook to the Facebook page whose event you want to upload. Now after you switch to the Facebook page whose event you want to upload, you will see the interface of your Facebook page out there. After you see the interface of your Facebook page out there, you have to tap on the profile section of your Facebook page. After tapping on the profile section of your Facebook page, you see the option of events out there. Now you have to tap on the option of events there. After you tap on the option of events, you will see the plus icon out there. Now you have to tap on the plus icon out there. After you tap on the plus icon, now you can create an event. You have to write a very event name there, and you have to write whether the event will be in virtual or in the person. If it's in person, you have to tap the very location, and you can also write the details out there. After you write the details out there, now you have to go to the option of create event. After you go to the create event option, now you will see the next screen, next interface like this. And after you see the next interface, this way your very event has been created. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really liked our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.